Hello, compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exam, and we are solving some example based on oblique shock. Next example is consider as Mach 2.8 supersonic flow over a compression corner with deflection angle of 15 degree. If the deflection angle is doubled to 30 degree, what is the increase in shock strength? Is it also doubled? So here first of all we will take m is equal to 2.8 and theta is equal to 15 and see your theta beta m chart. So this is your 15 degree and this line belongs to 3.2, this is 2 3 and this is your 2.8. So 2.8 and 15 degree will be this point, and it is giving approximately the angle 33.8 or 34. If we can take this, okay, if we see it closely we can find that it is either 33 or 34, or we can calculate by using the formula. So taking it approximately as 33.8, and if we see 30 degree and Mach 2.8, then we'll find out beta. So this is your 30 degree 28 and this is your 30 degree and this is your 33.2, this is 3 and this is 2.8. So this will be your 50, approximately 53. So or 54, he has used formula, but you can see it from the chart and you need not to remember the formula, and take approximate value of beta from the chart, that is 54.7 or 54 or 55 you can take. Okay. So now for theta is equal to 15 and m is equal to 2.8, beta is 33.8, and for theta is equal to 30, beta is your 54.7, for m is equal to 2.8 in both the cases. Now if we take theta is equal to 15, then mn1 is your m1 sin beta, m1 is your 2.8 and beta is 33.8. Okay, so this is your normal Mach number using this m1 and this beta first case and taking theta as 15, so it will come out as 1.558. So now we will see the shock table to find out the pressure ratio according to this normal Mach number. So now from the normal shock table, now it is 1.56, this is your 1.56 and the pressure ratio is in third column. So this is the table. First column is of mx or m1, second is of my and third is of p or the px. For 1.56 it is 2.672 or 2.67. So that is the pressure ratio. Now for second case, when theta is 30 degree, m is 2.8, mn1 is 2.8 and beta is 54.7, that we have found out. So mn1 will be 2.8 sin 54.7, so that is 2.285, and the pressure ratio is, so corresponding to this Mach number, again seeing the shock table, 2.285. so here it is 2.2 and 2.5 are there, so we will take in between value or we will find out by interpolation. So that will give P2 by P1 as 6.005 or 6. So here we can see that in the previous case the pressure ratio was 2.673, now it is 6. So when this deflection angle is doubled, the pressure ratio is more than double or 2.3 times. So if angle of the compression constant is doubled, the strength of the shock wave is more than double, that is by a factor of 2.3. So answer is it is more than double, and the value of shock strength is more than double, and it is more than it is 2.3 times of first case.